Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is cash flow. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my followers, silent viewers and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Before anything else, right now we have almost 6,000 subscribers in my channel. So if you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is cash flow? Cash flow refers to money that goes in and out. Companies with a positive cash flow have more money coming in, while a negative cash flow indicates higher spending. Net cash flow equals the total cash inflows minus the total cash outflows. So it's very important in a business, whether it is a big or small, that you have a very good cash flow, or else the company or the business will close if it is not fluid, no, in terms of support, no, in terms of resources financially. So that's it guys, no, in this video we just learn what is the meaning of cash flow. It is very important in any business. Thank you so much for watching and supporting with my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.